Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. The first problem is 10 times 5. So you write 10 times 5 as an expression. Then you write 10 times 5. To solve the problem, the 10 goes on the top and the 5 goes on the bottom. So first you have to multiply 5 times 0, which is 0, because any number times 0 is 0. So you add the 0 right below that. Then you multiply the bottom number times 1. So that would be 5 times 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. So you add the 5 next to the 0. So 50 is the answer. So 10 times 5 equals 50. The next problem we have here is 12 times 7. So you write 12 and times 7 as the problem. So you multiply 7 times 2, which is 14. And then you add the 4, and then you carry the 1, like how you do in addition. Then you multiply 7 times 1, which would be 7. So you can write that as an equation if you aren't sure, and then since you carry the 1, you add 1 to 7, which is 8. So the answer is 84. So 12 times 7 is 84. The next problem is 13 times 9. So you write 13 times 9 and like two-digit number on the top, one digit on the bottom. Then you multiply 9 times 3. So 9 times 3 equals 27. So like we did in the last problem, you add the 7 and carry the 2. Then you multiply 9 times 1. So 9 times 1 equals 9. So then, since you carry the 2, you add 2 to 9, which equals 11. So you add 11 next to the the 7, sorry. So the answer is 117. The next problem we have is 33 times 6, which is a little more difficult, but it's the same steps. You multiply 6 times 3, which equals 18. So like we did in the past two problems, add the 8, carry the 1, and do the same thing. Multiply 6 times 3. So 6 times 3 again is 18. Sorry. 3 equals 18. So then 18 plus 1 is 19. So the answer equals 198.